Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking a video, of course. So this video is about making slime, drawing it in, and whatever number you pick, you have to put it in your slime. So let's get started. So we're starting off with the bowls. So here's number 1, number 2, and number 3. So we're going to draw it in right now. Yay! Choose your choice. Oops. So let's see what I want to pick. I really want this one because I haven't got this one. So let's get that one. Put these on the side and I get this bowl. So for the glue, number 1, number 2, and number 3. So these are all the choices I could pick from, but I have to draw it in too. So let's pick. I got a 3. So it's this Elmer's glue. Glue. Put these ones away and start with these. So now we're starting off with the paint. So the paint choices I only have is green, purple, and pink. Let's draw it in. This one. I got a 1, so it's the green one. Okay, so put this one back in. Now it's still green. If there's no more, then I have to pick another one. Whoops. It's really hard to push. Okay, so I guess I have to pick another one. So it's just up to this color, purple, and to pink. So let's draw it. This one. I got a 1, so it's a purple one. These ones look like this one because it's really hard to open. Okay, so for my spoons, so I just have 2. My Baskin Robbins pink one I used, and my white one. So let's draw it in. Shape first. 3. It's close to 2, so we're gonna pick 2. So it's the white one. I think I'm gonna use it this side. So we start mixing. It's a really dark one. Okay, so mix it real good. It's all like this and ready. So the only choice for activator I have is borax, so I use that one. It's a really cool bee, guys. Keep on mixing. Maybe a little bit more. Getting the excesses too. Whoa, it's really sticky. Okay, I'm just trying to grab it. Here's how the slime is looking. It's really hard because we use the, this cocoa, the regular one. I'm going to get the excess. And it's really sticky too. So I can't really get it. Okay, so I think we need a little bit activator. so I got a lot of activator. Okay guys, it's not that bad. Trying to get the excess off too. Okay. I think this is clean. Put that right there. And look. I like this slime. It's really good. I don't think it will poke. Not really poking, but it's okay. So I'm round number 2. So the bowls now. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. So let's draw in this one. I got number 1, so I have to use number 1. So my glue. So my first one, second, and third. Let's draw it in. Okay, I got one. I got number 1, so it's the clear glue. Won't be pretty much. It smells, the clear glue. Okay, so I'm gonna put my food coloring. Paint. Acrylic paint. Pink. So I have that choice. So let's draw it. And this one. I got 3. It's close enough to 2, so I get to use pink. So it's gonna be clear pink. There we go. So next, I gotta use 2 spoons, a pink one, and a purple one. I just use right now for my slime. So I'm gonna pick it up. There we go. I got it. So this is number 1 and number 2. Let's draw it in. Got number 3. It's close enough to 2. So I have to use the white one again. Let's mix. Ooh, it's really pink, you guys. It's not really bad, but it's still pretty, you guys. Okay, so the only choice I have for activator, of course, is black. So let's add black. I don't think we'll be adding much. Look how it's turning. It's like jelly. I put a lot of activator in this little gloopy slime, and it's not really turning out the same, but let's add more. I think that's a lot of activator. So the blue. Whoa, look how it looks, guys. This slime, it's gonna work, so keep on mixing it. Okay, so here's a slime. It's a clear pink, so we have to wait for like 2 or 3 days until it's a clear pink slime. So we're gonna get all the pink glue and activator from this bowl. Okay, so close getting it. There you go. It's clean. Just one spot. There you go. It's clean. So look how the slime. Oops. Look how the slime is. It's not bad. So yeah, let's try to poke. Not bad. But let's get to round number 3. So the bowls, again, you already know. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So let's draw in. Number 1. So I'm using number 1. Okay. Let's see what glue we're using. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Let's draw in again. Again, number 1. So again, number 1 again. I think we're going to be using all the glue or some of the glue. I don't know. Okay, so let's pour it in. It's going to be really hard to get the glue in. See, look, it's like, you know, edible glue slime. Well, I guess we have to wait. Close. Looks like it has blue glitter in it. Oh, let's get some of the excess off. Just looks like there's still a lot of stuff in here, you guys. Look. Maybe if I actually ate it. It's a weird thumbnail. But I guess that's all the glue we could get in. Let's do the thumbnail again. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. But it's really funny doing that too. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. That looking thing was really funny. So paint purple or pink. So number 3, close to 2. So I have to use number 2, which is pink. Pink. So number 1 spoon, number 2 spoon. Let's draw it in. Got number 1. Okay, so I'm using the white spoon. Okay. Mix it. Whoa, it looks really pretty. Look, you guys. Maybe it's with. Nope, it wasn't with this one. Not this one either. But these are really good slime. This one's really pretty. It's like purple. See? So I already have the box. So let's add the box. And oh, so cool, guys. Let's keep on mixing. Sorry, guys, because my sister came in. But here's the slime, and it's really sticky too, because I really didn't add. I added a lot of activator, but here it is. It's really sticky. Wait, guys. And at the end, we're gonna be mixing our slimes, my slimes. Okay, so let's get the slime out of the bowl. I mean the spoon. Okay, I think that's good.